Okay. The train just left, and now I'm about to show you how frequent the 7 train comes. The one that just left for Flushing left like 30 seconds ago. The one you just saw went to Manhattan. Now let's see how many Manhattan-bound 7 trains will it be before the Queens-bound train arrives. This 7 train just arrived. If you see all the way in the corner, there's another one waiting. And all the way in the far right, all that way out there, there's a Queens-bound one. But is it express or is it local? We'll find out soon enough. As you can see here, this whole thing is empty. By the time this 7 train arrives, it'll be packed. That one left. And let's see. Okay, we're now approaching the 2.5-minute mark. I hope you heard that. The Queens-bound train is arriving in 9 minutes. Otherwise, I heard 5. We're in the 2.5-minute mark, and already 3 Manhattan-bound trains have come. And over here comes an express train. We are now at 4 minutes and about 10 seconds. So we're waiting for the next train to arrive. Walk up. I'm recording this in real time. I am not stopping this for anything. Within the last 5 minutes, 3 trains going to Manhattan have come and gone. and a local already left when I got here, going to Queens, and an express had just passed about a minute ago. And the announcer said that the next one will be coming in 9 minutes. So I see another train coming. I just saw another Manhattan-bound 7 in the on its way over here. This side is getting more packed. On that side, it's getting more crowded. Now there's more people coming over here. So you know, today is June 19th, 2012, on a Thursday. And here comes another 7 train. Another 7 Manhattan-bound train. This is train number 4. In 7 minutes. So basically, we're getting one every 2 minutes. And again, no Queens-bound 7. More people have arrived. Again.
Will arrive in approximately 5 minutes.
Did you hear that? 5 minutes. As right now, I've been waiting 8 minutes and 22 seconds. And I'm waiting on this 7 train. And over there, yet again, at the 82nd stop, is another 7 train going to Manhattan. This one would make it 5 when it arrives. This makes it
Queens-bound 7 local train will arrive in approximately 6 minutes. The next Queens-bound 7 local train will arrive in approximately 5 minutes.
Make up your mind. Is it 5 or 6? And there goes train number 5. And do I see another one? All the way in the distance. All the way out in the distance is another train Hopefully this is mine. Manhattan-bound train number 5 has left, is leaving right now. And now, packed again. When I arrived here 10.5 minutes ago, there were only maybe 7 or 8 people on this platform. Now, too many to count. Hey, look. Train number 6 arriving. Wow. That's 6. When I start this clip, the first Manhattan train was leaving, and now we're at number 6. And there's an express train. So far, 2 express trains have passed us, and, 2 express Queens trains have arrived.
Will arrive in approximately
2 minutes. Let's hope that really happens. This Manhattan train's still here, and there it goes. Train number 6. We're on number 6. It's packing up here. So much that plenty of room on a Manhattan train, but it'll be cramped once you arrive on a 7 train at 74th and Broadway. So, folks, if you ever decide to take a ride to Queens on the 7 train from 71st Street and Broadway, you're going to be waiting a long time. But if you go on Manhattan, no problem. Hey, number 7, all the way up there at 80 on the 82nd stop. Number 7, and over there, is it? Okay, my train's arriving, and we're at minute number 14. Let's see how long it'll be before it actually gets. We'll get here at the 15th mark. There's number 7. Train number 7. Or should I say the 7th number 7 train. I'll be lucky if I get a seat on this train.
The next Queens-bound 7 local train is now arriving.
There you go. So I'm stating on the record, it takes 15 minutes. 15 minutes in between 227 trains. It takes 15 minutes for one Queens-bound local train to arrive. There you go. And look, it's packed. What a surprise.